This just in. We have breaking news. Kingsbrook Animal Hospital is an underground training facility for Easter bunnies. Apparently, they are renowned in the rabbit community, but now it has come to light that Easter bunny training has been happening here just inside these doors by the doctors and staff at Kingsbrook Animal Hospital. Easter bunnies are cute, cuddly, and spread joy each year. But just how do they learn this trade and acquire these awesome skills? We have an exclusive interview with an insider from Kingsbrook Animal Hospital.
Kingsbrook Animal Hospital trains Easter bunnies. They train the Easter bunnies. People need to know.
The images you are about to see are shocking and ridiculously adorable. Viewer discretion is advised.
Kingsbrook Animal Hospital, this is Julia. Oh, hi, how are you? Oh, you're scheduling the annual exam for David Hasselhoff? Oh, Vet Academy? Do you mean Bunny Academy? Yes, we have an opening on Tuesday night. Yes, come in Tuesday night, 8 p.m. sharp.
Green egg. Green egg. Pink egg. Green egg. Good job.
What do you mean you don't like chocolate? Come on, guys, like this. Come on. Addition? Check. Subtraction? Check. Multiplication? No, that's not what I meant. Now remember, the yellow egg is extra special. All the special candy goes in that, so you gotta hide it really, really well.
Fluffy, workplace romances are just not really appropriate. It makes everything very difficult. And besides, it's a piece of chocolate.
It's amazing. We have to tell people. The people deserve to know. Are you understanding this? Are you going to tell people? They need to know. They need to know. We need to tell people. This is amazing. I didn't know.
No, my whole childhood, and now I know. I mean, we know.
What are you doing, Sarah?
The Easter bunnies,
Come on,
they train
we gotta go.
them.
No
they
comment.
train them.
No comment.
Oh, wait. Do you work here?
Yeah, I do.
There have been allegations that they train Easter bunnies here at Kingsbrook Animal Hospital. Any comment?
What? No comment.
Just how do the Easter bunnies of the world do it? Some would say Kingsbrook Animal Hospital, Bunny Academy. This has been Holland Rex reporting to you from Kingsbrook Animal Hospital, Frederick, Maryland.